The grammar of nani nani nikurabete it had a meaning that compared to or in comparison to something. That means you want to compare between two things or two people or whatever you want to compare between two things. You can use nani nani nikurabete, which means you compare with something. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of nani nani nikurabete, that means you use with the noun only. For example, in here they will say you should begin by your noun and after that followed by nikurabete or nikurabeto or nikurabeleba or nikurabe. Like this, you can use in both of four about nikurabe or nikurabe to nikurabele ba nikurabe. It just has the same meaning, but you can use when you make the sentence or you create a sentence that you will consider which one you will use. That depends to the sentence that you are making or depend to the situation that you want to explain to another person to understand that situation that happened. But it just had the same meaning that comparison between two things. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of nani nani nikurabete, the next we are going to see some example. When we will use kurabete, kuraberuto, kurabeleba, and kurabe. Now let's see some example. The first example. 昨日に比べて今日は少し寒いね。昨日に比べて今日は少し寒いね。Which means it's a bit cold today compared to yesterday. It's a bit cold today compared to yesterday. The next example. ロンドンはパリに比べると大きい。ロンドンはパリに比べると大きい。Which means London is large compared with Paris. London is large compared with Paris. For the first sentence, you see that they use kino. Kino is mean yesterday. Kino ni kurabete, which means compared to yesterday. And 今日は少し寒いね. This means today is cold, a bit cold, right? Or is a bit cold today. And for the second sentence, you see that they use Nikurabete, right? London はパリに比べると大きい. If they use kurabelito, it means if, right? If you translate directly, it means if. Paris ni kurabelito, it means if we compare to Paris. London is large. If you translate directly, it means like this. It means something nani nani to is mean that if is when you translate to English, it means you should begin by if. If we compare to Paris, London is large, right? But if you just say kurabete, it means it's just the normal that when you use that. What you compare with something like this? It just have compare with yesterday compared to last week, something like this. You don't have the you don't need to begin by if. Next example. 以前に比べて彼の日本語は上手になった。以前に比べて彼の日本語は上手になった。Which means his Japanese is better than before. His Japanese is better than before. The next example. 日本はアメリカや中国に比べれば 小さいな国です。日本はアメリカや中国に比べれば小さな国です。Which means compared with America or China, Japan is a small country. Compared with America or China, Japan is a small country. You will see that for the first sentence they just use kurabete. It means you just compare with, compare to, no if. Isn't nikurabete is mean compare with before. Before, right? Before this means from now on, from the time that you are say this sentence, that before that, right? So then say isn't nikurabete kare no nihongo wa jouzu ni natta. That means maybe you met your friends last week or 1 year ago, something like this. No, but now compared to before, so his Japanese is better. And for the second sentence, you see that they use the nikurabeleba. Nikurabeleba is mean if it compare to or if you compare with something like this. That means you have to begin with you translate directly. You should have begin by if. If we compare with China and America, Japan is a small country, right? But if you translate in generally, they don't say if. It just if you understand the sentence, that's enough. So, but when you translate directly, you should know that what is the difference between Nikurabete and Nikuraberu and Nikurabeleba. Nikurabeleba and Nikuraberu, it just has the same, very similar. That means you have to begin by the if. In here they say America ya Chugoku Nikurabeleba. That means if you compare with if you compare with China and America, Japan is a small country, something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use nikurabe, te, nikurabe, reba, nikurabe, to,